A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. So now, after Peter did done say him no know Jesus, how you think him would have feel amongst the rest of Jesus follower them? How you think him would have feel in front of Jesus after Jesus dead and come back alive? How you would have feel? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Mark chapter 16 from verse 1 to verse 20. After the Sabbath, Mary Magdalene, Mary James' mother, and Salome buy some sweet spice for anoint Jesus' body. And early in the morning, on the first day of the week, as the sun come up, them head for the tomb. When them did a walk, them said to them one another, "Oh, I go roll with the stone from in front of the tomb for we." But when them look up, them see say the big old stone did roll away already. When them go in at the tomb, them shock to see one young man with a white jacket sit down on the right hand side. But him said to them, say, "No afraid. Me know say you not look for Jesus we come from Nazareth, where them kill on the cross. But him come back alive. Him not there. Look, right over there, so them did put him body. So go tell him follow them. And Peter too. Say him a go a Galilee before them come. Only we see him there, just like when him did tell you no. Them left the tomb and take foot, cause them did so shock and confused. Them never say a word to nobody, cause them did so afraid. After Jesus come back alive on the first day of the week, the first somebody where him make see him and Mary Magdalene, the woman where him did run 7 demons out of. She go tell him follow them where did a Allah and a ball. And when Mary tell them say Jesus come back alive and that she see him, them never believe her. After that, Jesus show himself one different way to two him follower them when them did a walk in at the country. Them go back go tell the other one them, but them never believe them. After that, Jesus show himself to him 11 follower them when them did a yam. Him talk to them hard about how them hard is and them hard tough, cause them never believe the one them where did see him after him come back alive. Him tell them say, go all over the world and preach the good news to everybody. If nobody believe and get baptized, and them are go get saved. But the one them when no believe, judgment for them. The one them we believe are go get power for the them senior. Them we use feminine name and run out demon. Then we talk some new language. Then we can use them and pick up snake. And no poison with them drink. Now go do them nothing. Them will put them hand upon sick people and make them get better. After the Lord Jesus don't talk to them, God take him up in a heaven and make him sit down on him right hand side. Him follower them go all about, go preach, and the Lord did a walk with them, and the sign them when make them do show everybody say the message a true sitting. A God word this. Thank God. Now we reach the end of the book of Mark. The good news about Jesus has gone to Mark. Next, we are going to go in Hebrews. So make sure so you're ready, because you see the book of Hebrews, it well deep. But when we read it in the Jamaican language, everything get clear. So get ready. The book of Hebrews. Till then, walk good and one love.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.